Hey, it's Corrina, your virtual health coach, and my lovely assistant, Abby. We are here today to tell you about PlateJoy. This is an incredible service that helps you with your meal planning, meal prep, everything down to your recipes, your grocery list, helping you customize meals based on all kinds of personalization. I'm really excited to share this app with you today. Thank you so much for watching. So I want to start by thanking PlateJoy.com for sponsoring this video and giving me the opportunity to share this with you. So this is a really awesome website. It allows you to go through a very detailed set of questions so that you can personalize your weekly menu. So there's all kinds of different questions based on how many people you're cooking for, how many kids, what size or portion size they might want, everything down to dietary restrictions like gluten-free, paleo, ketogenic diet, clean eating, low FODMAP. There's all of these really great personalization factors that allow you to truly design your weekly meal plan and even choose which recipes you want to keep or which recipes you don't like and want to remove from your weekly meal plan. I was honestly blown away by all of the different questions that it asks you. Everything from, are you trying to lose weight? Or do you have certain foods that you would prefer to avoid? Do you and your family like to drink milk? Do you and your family like to eat mostly vegetarian, pescatarian, or flexitarian? There's all of these really wonderful detailed questions so that you're getting not only a personalized and highly customized meal plan, but you're literally able to choose down to the exact detail of ingredients you like, ingredients you don't like, and even choosing or removing the specific meals from your meal plan. This service is really designed to help you save time, save money, and prevent wasted food. So basically what happens once you go through the personalization, answer all the questions, it will start to give you the different suggested meals that would meet all of those different specifications that you've made. At that point, you can then choose to keep or remove certain meals. You can also look at the nutrition info for each meal. It tells you how long it takes to cook and prepare each meal, and then it gives you a really wonderful detailed recipe of how to make each of these different recipes. Now, I think that there's hundreds, maybe thousands of different recipes that are in the PlateJoy database. This means that you can actually search based on a specific ingredient that you want to use. You can also search based on a certain ingredient that you have in your pantry. So maybe you say, oh, I have a lot of butternut squash or a lot of carrots left over from last week. You can enter that in, and then it will customize your meal plan so that you can use those ingredients you have on hand. This is really a wonderful system to prevent you from wasting food. Because your shopping list tells you exactly how much you need of each shopping list item, you're able to make sure that you're not buying excess of things you won't use, and that you're able to make sure that you have all of the ingredients you need for the recipes that you want to make. Furthermore, the shopping list is divided into sections of the grocery store. I've never had such a detailed shopping list in my life, and I probably shouldn't admit that, but it literally tells you what you need from the dairy section, the produce section, the deli section, the frozen section, so that your shopping experience becomes super streamlined, super fast, super easy, and then you literally are 100% confident that you have all of the ingredients you will need. Another money-saving feature of PlateJoy is that it allows you to select whether or not you would like to batch prep meals. So this means that you would prepare maybe 6 to 8 servings of a certain meal at one time so that you have meals to eat throughout the week. So you can actually tell PlateJoy whether or not you like to have leftovers from your meal, or whether or not you like to batch cook and cook ahead of time for your meals. There's so much customization here that I really truly believe you will save so much time using this app. It can also link directly over to your Fitbit. So if you're somebody who's tracking your meals, tracking your calories, you can actually link your PlateJoy to your Fitbit so that everything you eat is automatically going into your calorie tracking software. So there's a lot of things I love about PlateJoy, but one of the things that really stuck out to me is that among the meals that it's giving you, it literally gives you breakfasts, lunch, batch meals, or those meals that you make ahead of time to consume later in the week, your snacks and desserts, and your dinners. So you're not just getting 1 or 2 meals from this program. It's literally giving you everything you're gonna eat for the entire 24 hours. And if you are following a more specific dietary program like Paleo, ketogenic, low FODMAP, clean eating, you can actually enter that in your personalization. So there are I don't believe any diets or dietary restrictions that PlateJoy does not support in terms of helping you to make sure that you're avoiding the things you need to avoid or eating the things you want to eat. There's also this really wonderful feature called the Pantry. So this is where you can actually go through and tell PlateJoy what you already have on hand. So for instance, you can tell PlateJoy, I have olive oil, I have salt, I have pepper, I have cumin, or whatever. So you go through and customize your pantry, and then once again, it's just kind of giving you that double security that you make sure you have everything on hand that you need, but you also make sure that you're not buying more of something that you might already have. So you're able to update your pantry each week. You're able to tell PlateJoy if maybe you have some leftover ingredients from the previous week, and it will actually go ahead and give you some new recipes to help you use all of those ingredients that you have and minimize waste as much as possible. So besides the customization, the amazing ability to limit your waste, limit your waste of money and waste of ingredients, you're also given these incredibly tasty recipes. So the meals on PlateJoy are not simple ham and cheese sandwiches. You're actually going to be learning how to make some really delicious meals, maybe experimenting with new ingredients you haven't tried, or telling PlateJoy, hey, these are the ingredients I like to use that I'm comfortable with. Just give me recipes for these specific ingredients. So all of these different meals that are on the PlateJoy website, of the things that I made, were absolutely delicious, really easy to follow recipes. And there's so many other meals and recipes on this site that I'm excited to try, that I would encourage you, if you're maybe interested in trying this out, go check out their website and you can just look at some of the meals. You can maybe search for an ingredient that you like and see what recipes come up. So not only does this site completely streamline the entire meal prep and meal planning experience, but the recipes and different meal ideas that you're getting are really, really delicious, really incredible, and a great way for you to keep improving and branching out in the different things that you're cooking so that you always have delicious, healthy meals right at your fingertips. So I want to thank you so much for watching this video. I want to thank PlateJoy for sponsoring this review. And if you would like to try it out, I have a coupon code down for you in the description so you can try it out, see what you think. I would love to hear your maybe experiences with PlateJoy or thoughts on how this app works. Let me know any questions you have or any requests you have for future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon.
Introducing Yoga Plus, offering a free series every month with over 300 different videos. Take control of your health. Work out anytime, anywhere. Yoga Plus. Download now for free.